Alright, so I'm leaving DSW and I'm gonna have to go to another store to see if I can find the shoes to go with this dress that I'm about to drop right down below. So see you guys at the next store. Alright. Alright, good morning everyone. My lovely viewers. Thank you guys for tuning in. Today is August 2nd and it is currently 9:54. Okay? And I am so tired. But guess what? I have a busy schedule starting today all the way up to the 4th, because I booked my flight on the 4th. So it's like everything is just moving so fast. But today, guys, I'm gonna be going to the nail salon, and I gotta do my eyebrows. As you can see, my hair is wrapped up, it's not finished. So and I also ran out of hair, so I have to go pick up the hair at the beauty supply store. You know, everything opens up at 10 o'clock, so now I'm like drilling for time. So yep. So if you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? So yeah, today is a very busy day, guys, and I don't know how I'm gonna manage, but as you can see, I already started packing some items from the clips that I showed, and yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this phone down. All right, so I've reached the nail salon, and I'm so embarrassed to go. My hair would wrap up like this. Like, this is not me. This is so like unprofessional, like ghetto. Like, this is not me. But just go ahead and head inside. So I'll be the first one in the chair, thank God, because you know it's back to school and everybody's like, you know, trying to do the same, get their nails done and all that stuff. So I'll see you inside. Alright guys, so what do you think of my nails? So I was going more so for like a lighter blue, but I was just like, you know what, forget it. And it's gel also, so it should last me some time. But in total, I spent $81. It would have been $91, but they had a promotion going on, so I got $10 off. And of course, you know, I had gave tip for her excellent service. All right, so now that my nails are done, I'm gonna go ahead and head over to do my eyebrows because they're a bit bushy. I haven't done them in like a month, so it is time for them to get done. It's very overdue, as you can see. Yeah. Oh gosh, some people are just lucky to have perfect eyebrows, you know, but I have to do my eyebrows like every 2 weeks or so, but only like on special occasions I go and do these things. I don't just, you know, just do it just cause. But all right, see you guys. All right, so eyebrows is done on fleek, yes, period. And so now I got my hair from the beauty supply store.
We no take that. All your little people are dead that. But should I keep in on your bed, cat?